Hi everyone, how are you doing today? I just want to quickly show you how to download and install Tableau Public. So the first thing you should do is to go to your browser right here and type public.tableau.com. It's going to bring you to this place and it's going to ask you to put your email. Let's say I just put my email right here. Right, and then you click on the download the app button and then it's going to change to green. Yes, and it begins to download for you. As you can see, it's downloading right here. You can see the blue line moving. Right, it is downloading right now. So it's done downloading right now. We're going to click on that to open it up. But I have already downloaded the software on my computer, so you might see something different, but let's try and open it. Okay, it's saved somewhere on my computer and it's trying to open up. Just make sure you follow the instruction as you download. It's a very easy and simple thing to do. Okay, it's trying to open up for me right now. Okay, so as you can see right now, because I already have it, it's telling me to uninstall or repair. So I'm going to ignore that. Just make sure you follow the steps once you're downloading and you're good.